Buongiorno. We are in Italy right now. This is the first vlog. We didn't want to vlog yesterday because we got lost.
And we're lost again.
We don't know where we're going, to be honest with you.
So loud.
We don't know where we're going. And our GPS just cut off on us. We gotta be somewhere at 11:30 and it's 10:50 and we're lost. Yep, find out on the next episode if we make it or not. I don't know what to do beyond this point. I don't know. Alright guys, we're back. And we found our way. We're asking some nice gentlemen where we should go.
Most people here speak English.
Yeah.
I said that really loud.
Yeah, most people here understand English. So, we on our way to our appointment. What's up, my kings and queens? So I wanted to come on here and apologize for the terrible quality. So at that time, I had the iPhone 6s Plus and it was internally damaged from me dropping it so much. So that is why you notice like the shakiness and like some flickering on the side, like some lights or whatever. I will try my best to edit this the best way I can. I mean, you guys already are watching it, but yeah, I hope you guys can forgive me. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on, okay? Alright. Ciao. Saturday.
Real close to the school. If anyone of y'all snores, raps.
This is a tour, guys. Okay, y'all, so this is the washing machine. It's in the kitchen. Yes, it is. Oh, yeah, and then you go all the way to our room. Boop, boop, boop. You either have to hang that shit up outside or you hang it up in this little thing that they provide. Like this rack.
Benvenuto Cellini era un nombre casi perfecto, tenía un defecto solo, pero no era gigante. El defecto era
This is where we live.
I just gotta go ahead and get my leg.
sulfur and a place to eat.
Looking for soul and a place
When to be all
That was
alone,
the
I should see me go. They say, hey, sugar, take it on the wild side.
That pasta was so good. But in these next clips, you will see a variation of food we ate and what was on the culinary school menu. Not gonna lie, some of these food that they gave us at school, well, we picked it, but some of them were like not good. So if you're Italian, I am sorry. Like, especially at that green thing in the beginning. Oh my God, I don't know what that was. But that is why we're laughing, because we're like, what the heck, yo? But hey, this is their culture, so yeah, can't judge that. But I did not eat any of these except for like the Chinese food and the pasta, okay, and that one dessert. Yeah. Thank you.
Damn, I was gonna take a picture, but
First time having gelato.
One more minute for your family. That's for you. So good. Here we go. No, I sent some.
she's right there. And can I have Nutella? Oh yeah. And strawberry. For you.
Do you like it? Look at this gorgeous view.
So in this music video, she's talking about refinding love because of the old album. In the back, we have the Sylvie handbag that was invented in the 50s. Oh, yeah. Have you been?
Yeah, I know this really well from my teacher.
Oh, cool. And how do you like it?
I wanted to live there.
Oh yes, it's a good place. Everyone's asking me, why the hell did you leave? Why did you leave? Everyone
Actually, and you leave your Let me get some chalk.
You
Start drawing up SpongeBob up.
Rihanna. They gonna boo you. Okay, y'all, so in this clip, I was ecstatic to see McDonald's because at that point, I was getting tired of the food that I was eating. You feel me? I wanted to go back. So, anyways, the chicken nuggets was so good, but the rest of the food, I don't know what they were trying to feed us. Like, what the hell were those fries? Oh my gosh, those things were nasty.